Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabere254. For the new subscriber and for returning subscriber, if it is the first time to watch my video, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to share, like and comments. It's a fine day that God granted to us. Today, I and electrician who will do my mom's wiring. We are going at border to pick. Right now, I'm at home, guys. That's my mom. You can see my mom's house, how it shines. It shines. Today, it's the weather. It's calm. It's good. No rain. Yeah. So that's my mom's house, and today I'm going to bar. I and my mom's electrician, the person who did electrician to Mayugno's place, to Nasto's place, to Ayamaro place. I and her, we are going to buy both what we call pipes at border. So guys, right now here, I'm heading to at border. This is the road which we are passing. This is our road. This is a shortcut. But if you come to visit my mom, we have the main road. That's the main road. There's a main road. That's the main road, guys. And yeah, so these are shortcuts. We are heading to at border to buy some. Yeah, I want to rush so that I can pick Sammy. His name is called Sammy at stage, so that we can go at border and pick some materials. So guys, don't skip the video, guys. Keep watching until the end. Yeah. Yes, guys. So these we are at border right now, and we come to pick materials which we are going to put in my mom's house. You know, tomorrow we are going to. So tomorrow, guys, we are going to do wiring to my mom. So right now here, he's the one who will make my mom's wiring in my mom's house. This guy, and I supposed to come with him so that we can pick materials here. Yeah, inside here. Ebenezer, this is the place. So this is the Benza. This is the place so that we can buy the materials inside. Yeah, this place. You can see even switches. They have switches. Hapa. Yeah, this is the place where we're supposed to buy things of wiring. Yeah, so this is the place where people are coming to bought wiring, like wire for making wiring. This is the place at border. Yeah, this is the place. I have my friend here. He's the one who will put my mom's wiring at my mom's house. Yeah. The owner of shop is calculating. Let him finish calculate so that we can take pipe to my mom's house. So guys, don't skip the video. Keep watching until the end. Yes, so guys, we are at home, and we brought what we call pipes. These are pipes. We brought the pipes, guys. These are pipes. Tomorrow we are starting wiring in my mom's house. So this is the pipe that we went to at border to buy with the. He's a person who did to Nasto's wiring. He can say hi.
Hi, it's Sammy. Yeah.
How is you, Sammy?
In fact, I'm good.
Yeah. Can see we bought lemon.
Yes.
You know, even I was sick. Sometimes I was sick. I supposed to eat this one. Yeah. He's the one who will do wiring to my mom. He's the one who, yeah. You're the one. You know, I usually see you at Marwa's place. Doing wiring, Nasto's place. Actually, guys, my Mayugno. Actually, you have a YouTube channel, or you yeah. So these are what we bought here, and assist me to Yeah. So this is what we bought for wiring.
This one is for piping.
Yeah. These ones.
These are double switch.
There's switch, single switch, double switch.
These are bend.
These are bend.
Yes.
We bought another big pipe. With those,
yes, this one.
We have two types of pipes. Yeah.
Yeah. This one is for big.
Yeah.
And the small one, I have a string which I'm going to use to bend myself.
Okay.
And instead of buying in the shop, then I
will stretch.
Yes. And these are single switch box.
Single switch
box, and this one is we call end box.
Yeah.
Where we go to put to a bracket or security.
Security. This one.
Yeah, you mount this one the wall.
Oh.
And this is the rotary box.
Box. This, I told you these we have one boxes. No. Okay, show me where we're supposed to put this one. Yeah, guys, let him show me, because I told him not to buy, but he's the one. Yeah, that's a meter box, guys. This is a meter box. This is a meter box. Okay, I understand. Inlet. Yeah. So the wire will pass through from up to here. Yeah. So this one exactly will put here. Yeah. Now, guys, you can imagine. I understand, because both these things, and I never understand where we usually put these. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So don't skip the video, guys. Keep watching until the end. Yeah. You can see my mom's what are we call this one? Yeah. Actually, my mom's wash. Yeah. Yeah, my mom's bought this cassava. Yes. Yeah. So my mom's wash, and after wash. Yeah, don't skip the video, guys. Yes. Don't skip the video. Keep watching until the end, guys. Yeah. So, guys, I was at home right now, and it's evening right now, and I supposed to come here and see what the job is, how the job is going on. I can see the job. They started dig what we called. Actually, guys, I usually call this gogos. Yeah, I can see the person he started, and yeah. Remember this, I supposed to cut these trees, and the other one, and the other one, and the other one. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have not counted that one. Actually, let me start 1, 2, 3. Did the 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5, 6. Did the 6, guys. And to remove this one, this is what we call magogo. Yeah. The person, he have already started, and right now it's evening. You can see the sun. It's almost, imagine that the sun, because I will show you guys. Let me finish showing you back. Yeah, this is the fruits. This is the fruit, guys. Actually we planted many fruits. If you come here to visit my mom, Chef Matiko's mom, actually, guys, you will eat this fruit that you are seeing here. It's small right now. It's small. The time that you come to visit my mom at our home, you'll come and you'll eat this. These are actually, guys, these are papao, and these are bohol, where they have reached. Yeah, actually, guys, this place, they will dig around. They told me they will dig 30 centimeters. 30 meters. I don't know, 30. Actually, I remember 30. Yeah, because they usually call this place. This place they found water easy. When you dig a borehole, they usually get water easy because of this place. You know, yesterday came here, and they told me because of this place they usually dig around us. I don't know, 30 feet, 30 feet by the 30 feet, not feet. You know, usually, sorry. Yeah. So when guys, when people see this place like these many trees, this place there, they want to sold this place. Sold. They want to sell this place. Yeah. Imagine this place. They want to sell this place, and actually we have a road here. This latrine they will move this latrine here. They want to sold this place, and this one 50 by 100. This place they want 50 by 100. Yeah, they want to sold this place, and when you see this place, like, I don't know how I can put so that you can understand, guys. Sorry. Yeah, there's a road passing here, right here. The way you are saying that we are putting a post. They want to sold this place. This one. Yeah, that's why the person, he decided to, this place. I don't know how they called, so that I can put that you can understand. That's why they decided to tell me that they will dig around 30. I don't know 30 what. 30 feet. Let me measure. Right now I walk with foot. Let me measure. These are the foot, guys. Let me measure so that we can confirm what the work they did. Let me measure. I want to confirm you and I. For yesterday and today, the work they did. It's far. Yeah. At the foot, it's down. How many feet? 11. I think it's 11. Not 11, yeah. Not 11. I'm supposed to put it down here. It's around 10. 10, guys, you can see. 10 feet. Right now, the work they did, it's 10 feet, and yeah, I walk with foot so that they can see. You can see, you and I. You can see the work they did. 10 feet, guys. You can see. But they told me that because of those places that we are seeing there, water is around the corner. That's what they told me. Around it's 30 feet. Right now here, the way I'm standing, it's around you can see, guys, 11 feet. 11 feet, and you can see the soil that we get. This is soil that we get. That's what they are around the water. This is the foot. The work. These are even you can measure. Yeah, you can measure, guys, and yeah, like that, guys. So I'm working with foot so that I can confirm the work they did, and tomorrow's work to cut these trees. Tomorrow's work, it's about to cut these trees. The person who will started cutting this tree, he told me today he will come. Yeah, the person who cut these trees, he told me today he will come, but not available. You can see the trees is we have not started cutting, but we have started removing this what we call this one tomorrow. Funny thing, he came here. Yeah, he come here and the jembe starting disturbing him. He removed the one, what we call 1, 2, 3. So remainder all of this place, he will move this all. Even tomorrow when we started cutting these trees for the roofing, whatever guys. This for the roofing and other what we call other job that will need timbers. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. You're the one who supports us. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. To share, like, comment. If it's the first time to watch my YouTube channel, kindly guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. To share, like, and comment guys. Bye bye. Right now these are a foot. When me, I'm dealing with I'm dealing these are the foot. Sorry. Me guys, I'm dealing with the truth. If I paid people to do the job, like when we started digging a borehole, we must measure so that we can pay him. Some people here you can't pay him, and some people can come and telling you that we have dig around 10, and you come and measure, you can find 6, 7, or 8, and you are paying for food. We are paid the person 300 shillings. I don't know the US money. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you a lot for creating your time. My name is Maberry254. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, to share, like, and comment guys. Bye bye. Yeah, so guys, it's an evening, and right now I'm at the place where um I'm at the place where I'm supervising this place, and right now the job is going on, and we dig a borehole here, and this is the borehole. This is the borehole we started the day that the following day. I don't know how I can put it so that you can stand, and we planted this is the fruits guys. We planted the fruits here. Yeah, this is my brother where he bought, and I want to show you where the job how it goes. Yeah, I've already measured. Yeah, this is the borehole we started digging this place, and you can see guys. So yeah,